National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Menard County, southwestern Logan County, southeastern Mason County, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Petersburg, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Greenview around 3:15 p.m. Middletown around 3:20 p.m. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 113 and 116.